Welcome back to GreenTGarden. So today we're gonna unbox and set up the Click and Grow Smart Indoor Garden 27. Yep, 27 plants. Whether it's fresh vegetables, fruit, or herbs, grow all right in home all year long. Doesn't matter if it's winter, summer, fall, or you don't have a backyard or you don't have a balcony. This garden system is perfect for indoor. This company made it so easy, you don't even have to have the green thumb or any garden experience. Grow fresh vegetables right in your home. So I'm gonna unbox it really quick, set it together really quick, show you guys how easy it is to set it up. And coming up for every couple days, I will do a follow-up video to show you the progress. So we're gonna do from starting to ending. So it's like a mini series with this Click and Grow garden. And for more price and details, check in the description box below, and I will leave an exclusive discount code. And don't forget, if you're new and you want to get all the videos, click the red subscribe button. It's 100% free. Comes in a couple boxes like this. I know a lot of people don't like to watch the whole thing, so I'm gonna go through really fast and show you guys. The first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna build the stand piece, which is really easy because I did my research right here. Look, couple screw-on stuff only, and that's it, you're done. So this is a pretty cool diagram to look. Wow, nicely, neatly packed. You could see, wow, look at this bag. Now this I could reuse. You guys know me, I don't like to throw away stuff. Look, recycle your packages. Oh wow, yeah, I'm keeping this bag. This bag is nice, beautiful. Look at these finished wood, and you have the nuts and bolts in there. So I'm gonna take everything out and put it together real quick. So that's our first box. I open everything to just show you guys. We have the 3 different level, and we have the instruction right here. You can see it right here. And this was the couple of tools, the couple of stuff that came with some screws, the Allen keys and the screwdriver, that piece on the bottom, and a couple sticks, even the cardboard paper right here. These we could recycle back, compost. These are pretty good. So it's not a lot of stuff, and we're gonna go ahead and put this together by just screwing this couple of wood in. So this is the beautiful stand right here, and you can see how it has, we have one shelf in the bottom here, followed by the second one, followed by the third one, and I think it's 47 inches in length and 26 inches across, and you could see how amazing and beautiful it is. It is pretty sturdy after you screw everything together. It's pretty strong, and they sent extra brackets so you could attach this to your wall. You could literally anchor it to the wall wherever you decide to put it. Just make sure, if you're gonna anchor it, make sure you find a permanent spot. If not, you could leave it like this, get a partner, and help you move it to whichever location you want to put it. So open up the other box, and you could see right here, they got our wide plant selection, include mini tomatoes, parsley, wild strawberry, chili pepper, cilantro, lavender, peppermint, and they're full grown. And you could see right here, so this is the Smart Garden 9. And that's, look how beautiful everything looks in that. Check in the description box for the link and a discount code. They have many different types of garden system to grow indoor. And then here they sell a bunch of different seeds that you could buy. And that code works for everything on the website. Plus we have 9 Pro Plant cups for Smart Garden. That's pretty interesting. So we're gonna unbox all this and see. I have the unbox. Whoa, like the sound of that. Whoa, so this is just a cover over the other box. And unbox. Oh, and we have a bunch. It came with a bunch of plant pods, 3-pack Smart Garden. This is basil. Ooh, look at that. I love myself some fresh basil. Yellow mini tomatoes. Ooh, delicious in the salad. And then we have some green lettuce. And that's pretty cool. I like that. So let me get everything out. So I just wanted to show you guys right here. It start telling you by starting assembling the garden instruction. So it looks like we have the cup, we have the sponge, which is probably the dirt and all that, cover, and a dome. And as you can see right here, the handle only goes in that piece, comes down right there, which is like nothing. Then you could add your water. It's at 4 liter, and then you plugged it in. Really easy. Look at that. This company did amazing by just putting that. Simple and easy. So I did choose the gray color, which is beautiful. And these are the side arms that are going to be going in there. This is the light on the top. We got some dome cover Very good, always trapping the heat inside. And this, so I guess this is the cover for the pod, and this is their pod. Wow, interesting. Ah, wow. Guessing the root will be coming out through here, maybe. I don't know. We're gonna figure this out. But this looks really good. So we. All right. So when you're putting the top part on right here, just look at the groove where the wire is. Sorry, where the wire is. You can see how it's grooving right there. So you're gonna be placing the wire there, and you can see from this part how the wire runs down. So everything is like nicely, neatly done. So I got everything ready here, and what I'm gonna do is basically you could see they have all different type of stuff. And if we open this, the seeds are already inside of these pods. And what we're gonna do, we're gonna remove the covers from these pods right here. These are different, look at these, like cup pods. And we're gonna start filling water in there when we're finished. So you could get a marker and label them right there, but I really normally don't label stuff anymore unless if it's a new plant that I don't know about. As soon as I see basil or tomato plants and stuff, I already know exactly as a seedling. But if you're a beginner, I definitely recommend to label your plants if you don't know. So simple and easy. What do? You just take it and drop it in there. That's pretty cool. So we're gonna do a bunch of that. It's really easy. It's like nothing more to do. If you look right here, it's all 100% organic. So that's pretty cool. Like, that's really good. All right, so we're gonna be adding the water through that special spot right there. Just get a cup and gently do it. You don't want to spill water, and when it falls, I guess it'll just pop right up. It's like a floater, I think. All right, this is so amazing, beautiful, fits perfect. I love the gray color and the white. They do have about 3 other color. Just remember, it's 3 plugs, and I got the step on right there. So you just step on that, and then here comes the beautiful bright light. It's not too bright, but it's just bright enough, and that's how the lights looks. So grow lights, and that's gonna be growing every single thing you can see. No mess, no stress, just beautiful, clean indoor garden. And I do have a bunch of these extra that I send with later on you could always open this up, take out one, and then close it back, seal it up for later on use. So amazing. That's all I could say right now. I am super excited. Cannot wait to see stuff sprout. As soon as the seeds and just start germinated, I will do a follow-up video showing you guys step by step how everything is growing. Wow, look how she looks back there. Gorgeous and beautiful. And they do send the extra parts to mount on the wall if you need to, but it stands perfectly in the corner, so I really don't need to. It's just an option if you guys need to. So I gotta tell you, Click and Grow Company did amazing with this. This is next level gardening right here for indoor. So I love it. I'm excited about it. I cannot wait to see stuff start sprouting, and my kids were helping me too, so they can't wait to see. For everyone who ever just wanted to know, like, why should you go for indoor garden? Real quick, indoor garden is less mess, less stress, and it's all year long. So it doesn't matter what weather is going on outside, you could still grow indoor. And you save a lot of money. And then you get organic stuff that you grow, and you watch it grow. You're growing it, your kids are growing it, you're doing it as a family. So it's a win-win all around. It's definitely 100% more cheaper and compared to buying stuff from the store, and you do not always get fresh stuff from the store, and you don't even know what chemical they use or how they grow, unless if you're buying from an organic farmer's market, but could get pricey. For organic stuff, it is pricey. So growing it by yourself, it's a lot more easier, it's more fun, and it's amazing to see how it's grown. All right, don't forget to check in the description box is Black Friday sale. Check right now, they got big discount, and they have a lot more option if you don't have space for this. All right, so thank you so much for watching GreenTGarden. Don't forget, if you're new, click the subscribe button. Is the red button followed by the bell icon, so when I do an updated video, you will get it right away and see the growing process. You're gonna see step by step how it's amazing the transformation is going. All right, thank you so much for watching GreenTGarden. Hope you guys like it. Don't forget to give thumbs up.